Hello everyone, welcome to Do Yourself video series. And today we'll review a configuration in Ariba network to enable email notification to suppliers whenever a purchase order document sent by your organization is not confirmed by your suppliers. So let's review how it works and how to set up this rule. Automatic email notifications can be configured through Ariba Network to alert suppliers of unconfirmed orders, purchase orders, and ask them to take an action to respond to the purchase order document. You, as a buyer administration user or DSC, can access Ariba Network buyer user interface to set up that rule. And once the rule is enabled, supplier will receive an email reminder consolidating all the unconfirmed orders and asking them to take an action on those documents, accept or reject them. Well, what is the value for your organization by enabling this rule? By having the non-responders order reminders, buyers may accelerate the fulfillment process on the supplier side and also minimize delays on the delivery of the goods. This is a good solution to put in place in Ariba Network. So let's review how to set up this rule. Here I am at Ariba Network buyer user interface. Where users set up the rules for document collaboration with suppliers through Ariba Network. I'm going to log in first, and then I will show you how to enable the feature. But one thing to have in mind, it's important to note that we'll need to have an administration profile to set up this rule in Ariba Network. Well, having said that, in the main page, click on the administration option, and then in the screen, we'll have the option to select configuration. And in that screen, configuration main page, we will select the default transaction rules. So in the Ariba Network default transaction rules page, we need to scroll down to the corresponding section, the order confirmation ship note rules, and search for this rule, send suppliers an automatic reminder of unconfirmed orders after a specific number of days. In this case, we can check here in this check button how the rules work, the complete description how it works, and we need to place here how many days after the order date we need to trigger the email notifications for unconfirmed order to the suppliers. Let's say I'm gonna choose 3 days, and after I enter a number here between 1 and 10 days, I'm gonna choose save my work and confirm, and it's done. The setup is done. Here we have a sample of the email reminder sent to the suppliers when this rule is enabled. In that sample, you can see that all the orders will be listed in the email with correspondent basic information like order date, order status, and the supplier will have the ability to click in any of this link and log in to Ariba Network to take an action and accept or reject the order according to the business process. So the last comment that I have for today is to note that this rule can be configured for a group of suppliers or at a global level, say, or that means that applies to all the suppliers. Well, that's what I have for today, and bye.